Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to download and upload your manual journals. Again, the downloading manual journals, if you are searching for just that, is in a previous video, so feel free to go ahead and check that out. But in this video I'll be showing you how to download and upload the manual journals. So your first step is to make sure that you're logged into your Xero account. So once you complete that step, you're just going to go down and you're going to click Reports, Report Designer, and then Design Accounting Reports. Then in the drop-down menu options, you're just going to go ahead and select Manual Journals. You're going to also input your date range, and then you're going to select Date, all of journal lines, so all of these. You're going to select Line Amount Types, Narration, and Status. Then in the change pool settings, you're going to deselect display date range. And then your 3, 4, and 5 fields, you're going to check to make sure all of them are exactly the way you want them to be. And then you're going to go ahead and click execute. So now at this point, your screen should look something similar to this. And then we're going to highlight line 6 and 7 or whatever data you want to upload. You're going to go There you go, highlight. You're going to go to extensions. You're going to click G-Accon Xero. And this time we're going to click Upload Accounting Data. Okay, so once you click on that, you should be able to see this. And you need to make sure that your row selection mode is currently selected, which is why we first highlighted our rows, and then you need to make sure that all of the rest of the information matches up to what you're trying to do. So we want to have manual journals here, and we want to have insert. Okay, then you need to make sure that these next items correctly correlate with your data. So as you can see, our A1 cell is correctly filled in, and so is our result column. Then you're going to go through fields 2, and you're going to actually have to go through and make sure all of this is correct. So again, check your status, which is correct, and then check your line amount types. And then in the second column, you're going to also have to go through and everything looks good. And then we're going to go ahead and click execute and save. So now your results should be in column L. And once you have this on the right hand side, along with 2 or how many ever data links, that's when you know you have correctly uploaded your manual journals. So to double check, we can just go click on one of these hyperlinks, and it's going to redirect us to our Xero account where our manual journals should be uploaded. And as you can see, our manual journals were correctly uploaded into Xero. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much.